Problem 2. Find the sums given below. First one, 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus so on 84. Okay. So here A1 equals to 7, A2 equals to 10 and half, A3 equals to 14. Okay. Here Sn formula, sum of n terms formula, Sn equals to n by 2 into A plus An. But I don't know the value of n. First prove the value of n. Okay. So here An is also given. So An equals to 84. That means last term. Okay. See what is the common difference D? D equals to 10 half minus 7. 10 half minus 7. 2 times the 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. Okay, that equals to 21. 2 sevens are 14. 14 by 2. That is 7 by 2. Okay. Now we will find the value of n. Okay, since An equals to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. Here An is given. What is the value of An? 84. 84 equal to A value is nothing but A1. 7 plus n minus 1, d value 7 by 2. 84 plus, okay, 7 transpose option minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7 is 77 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 transpose left is 77 into 2 by 7 equals to n minus 1. 7 how many times? 11 times. 11 into 2 equals to n minus 1. So 11 into 2 is 22 equals to n minus 1. Okay, minus 1 transpose left side. 22 plus 1 equals to n. So 23 equals to n. The value of n is 23. Okay. Now n equals 23. So S23. S23 equals to 23 by 2. A value 7 plus An value 84. That equals to 23 by 2. 7 plus 84 is 91. 7 plus 84 is 91. Now multiply 23 into 91. See 23 times of 91. 1 3 is the 3, 1 2 is the 2. 9 3 is the 27. 2 balance. 9 2 is the 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 3 7 0 2. Sorry 3 9 2 0. Okay, 0 2. That is finally 2093 by 2. Okay, 2093 by 2. Now 2 division. 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros. 2 4s are 8. 1 balance. 2 6s are 12. So 0.5. If you don't know, do like this. 2093. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 0. Like keep 0 here. Next number 9. 2 4s are 8. 1. Okay. Next number 3. 2 6s are 12. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. Take decimal and 0. 2 5s are 10. So final answer is 1046.5. Problem 2, second. Find the sum of 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on 10. Okay. See here A1 equals to 34, A2 equals to 32, A3 equals to 30, An equals to 10. First n value find out change. So what is the common difference? D. A2 minus A1, that is 32 minus 34 equals to minus 2. Okay. Since An equals to 10, first we will find the value of n. Okay. Why the formula of Sn is sum of n terms is n by 2 into A plus An. So that's why we will find first n. So An equals to 10. What is the value of An? An formula A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 10. Okay. Here A value is 34. A is nothing but A1. 34 plus n minus 1. D value is -2 equals to 10. So n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 10. 34 transpose to right side minus 34. Okay. So n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to 10 minus 34 is minus 24. 10 minus 34 is minus 24. Now minus cancel. 2 12 times. Therefore n minus 1 equals to 12. N minus 1 equals to 12. N equals to 12. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 30. Therefore n equals to 30. Okay, coming to the next point, we will find sum of n terms. So here how many terms are there? 13 terms are there. So S13 equals to, so 13 by 2, a plus an. Here a is a1, that is 34 plus an is 10. That equals to 13 by 2, 34 plus 10 is 44. So 2 how many times? 22 times. So 13 times 22. 13 times 22. So 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26 plus 2 is 28. The sum of first 13 terms is 286. Second problem, third one. Find the sum of minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus so on minus 230. Okay. Find the sum. What is the sum formula? Sn equals to n over 2. That means n by 2 into a plus an. Okay. Here a is there, minus 5. An is there, minus 230. So, but I don't know the value of n. First find the value of n using the terms. Okay. First u1, I mean a1 equals to how much here? a1 equals to minus 5. a2 equals to minus 8. a3 equals to minus 11. So let us say last term is an equals to minus 230. So d equals to, what is the formula? a2 minus a1. So that equals to minus 8 minus a1 is minus 5. Okay, that equals to minus 8. Minus of minus is plus 5. Okay, minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. Okay, now since an equals to how much? Minus 230. An formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 230. So here a is minus 5 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1, d is minus 3 equals to minus 230. So n minus 1 times minus 3 equals to minus 230. Minus 5 transpose right side plus 5. That equals to n minus 1 times minus 3 equals to minus 225. Okay, minus 225. Minus 230 plus 5 is minus 225. So negative get cancelled. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 225. So 3 7s are 21. 1 balance, 3 5s are 15. So n minus 1 equals to 75. N minus 1 equals to, sorry, n equals to 75. Minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 75 plus 1 is 76. Therefore the value of n is 76. Now we will find sum of 76 terms. Okay, that equals to Sn equals to, what is the formula? Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So here how many terms are there? 76 terms. So S76 equals to 76 by 2 into a value minus 5 plus an value minus 230. So 2 how many times? 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are. So minus 5 plus times the minus is minus. So 230. So 38 into minus 235. Now do multiplication minus. Okay. 235 into 38. 8 5s are 14. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 3 5s are 15. 1 balance. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 balance. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 0. 13. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 8. So 8930.